Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can um promote affiliate product from clickbank to the Facebook for free. So this is the simple method that I wanted to share with you guys. That it does really work if you take your time and promote the right way and believing that you can make money and some other things that you have to uh, put in the mindset that you can generate income by promoting stuff from clickbank to Facebook, Quora, or so many other platform, Twitter, Pinterest, and so many other things that you can promote your clickbank product for free and generate sales. And you need to be optimistic and put your mindset not about just making money online. It's all about you know changing the lifestyle that you want to have, and put your mind about making some uh, profit to share with so many other people that they want to start making income from home. So what I mean by this is, if you really focus on money, you it's very hard for you to generate income. The most important thing is your mindset. If you really just think about um, changing your jobs from, changing your 9 to 5 job to online marketing, it's all about the mindset. If you have the right mindset and put your time and, be optimistic about what you wants to have in the lifestyle that he wants to create for your business and financial situation, you will get to the point that you get sales from online, and you're definitely going to make money online. So that's just some tips that I wanted to share with you guys, that you need the right mindset. And let's get to the Facebook marketing, and I'm going to share you with you guys that you can promote clickbank product or any other uh, affiliate product that you have from another platform by promoting on Facebook only free. You can promote uh, you know um, by just spending, but I'm going to show you but for free, because it's very important that you, when you start promoting product from clickbank or from other platform, start using free traffic. It does work. You just need to be in the right mindset and believing, and be optimistic about it and patient, right? So if you guys have clickbank, uh, if you guys have clickbank and going to marketplace, so you guys are familiar with this. If you don't have, I recommend to start just signing up. It's free. Going to marketplace first and choosing the right topic that you want to promote. It doesn't matter which platform you're using, but its most important thing is, the more passionate about, you will get to that point that you kind of knew about the marketing for this product. For example, I like health and fitness, I like home and gardening to promote, because I knew some good stuff about this kind of things. I knew about the business and marketing, like finance or whatever, business, investing, computer, internet, cooking, food, wine. I'm so many products. It's very nice product if you just looking into it, I'm just going randomly for one garden. Alright, I just got to this point that I can, once you choose the niche that you want to promote, go to gravity. Gravity is going to give you the good option that you can choose and promoting this product. Okay, you can write some tracking ID. I have some tracking ID. For example, just put randomly, I can create this tracking ID on the last of these links that the clickbank give me. This is my tracking ID that I can recognize it. Okay, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to close it. Okay, I'm going to do is what was my product. I just look at the again. Highest converting woodworking site on the internet. That shows that this is the product that the people wants to make a wooden gardening in their house or something. Just looking at the product myself. Okay, as I can see, it's going to be the world's largest collection of 16,000 wood plants. Okay, this is the plants that the people they are creative. They wants to make some good design for their home. The price is 67 bucks, so it could be like 75% commission. But what you're gonna do is you're not going to focus on the profit. The most important thing is, what is this product? This product can make me real good passive income when I can promote it well, right? I'm going to Facebook. Okay, woodworking woodworking plan. So this could be woodworking plans. Okay, you're going to join these groups, woodworking plans and help, woodworking project and plans, woodworking plans, and so many other good stuff. I'm going to join these groups. Okay, and going to answer those questions. Question must be answered to be responsible, complete, and you'll be taken if you serious training. Take the time. Okay, level experience well. Okay, I'm going to access to these groups once they submit my request. I'm going to join these other groups. Okay, I sent my request. What is your favorite working tools? I don't know anything like we saw, right? What was your favorite working project? Planning, for example. I don't know about the woodworking, but I'm very interesting for it one day that I can make my own, plans for my own home. So that's why my dream. So what you guys going to do is you're just going to promote this product to the Facebook. Once you join these groups, what you're gonna do is writing some good topics and put some upload some cool pictures from Google or whatever, and trying to match the picture with the topic that write, and then post it on the between those groups. Those groups people going to comment on your post, people going to like your post, and once the people commented, trying to get engaged and collaborate with those people that they comment, right? And give them a feedback, give them some good information that you have from your product, okay? And explain about your product. And once you're doing this, you're definitely going to create sales. Remember, guys, it's not hard if you just trying to focus to provide value for those people that they are looking for those kind of product from you, okay? Just need to concentrate about, good tips and information that you're giving and providing for those customers that they need your product, okay? And trying to focusing on helping those people definitely there is so many other customers and people that they are looking for those kind of things, and they don't have any idea that how they can provide, okay, um, or how they can find those kind of um, product, okay. This is very important, just trying to engaging with those kind of customers, and you will definitely going to generate great sales, right? So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you guys enjoying this um, video. Myself, I'm very interesting for you guys that you learn quick about you know um, online marketing and joining my Facebook group and trying to engage with my groups on the Facebook, and feel free comment whatever you guys have in your mind about this video on my YouTube channel, and thumbs up the video if you guys like it, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm releasing video every week, at least one or two, or maybe sometimes if I have more times, maybe 5 days a week, why not? And I'm going to give you so much valuable video for free that you guys can check those video out and generate sales, okay? Especially for you guys that are beginner. And as I said to you guys, your mindset is everything. Trying to not be focusing on making money, trying to making a income that can change your lifestyle, okay? And thus you will get to the point that you will create some good income for your lifestyle, and you can change your job to the online marketing, okay? I hope you guys enjoying this video. Thumbs up the video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one, okay?